Hi everyone, it's Craig Garenti from Palisade Compliance, and I hope you're all doing well during this coronavirus lockdown. In times of trouble, most companies try to help their clients, but I will tell you, Oracle did the most Oracle thing ever. Not only are they increasing your costs for Oracle support, but they're increasing the increase they charge you. It is literally the most Oracle thing ever. So traditionally in the US, Oracle was uplifting support every year, basically jacking up the price by 3%, regardless of whether you use the support or not. And now this year they're doing it by 4%. So a 33% increase in the increase. Unbelievable, Oracle. We estimate that could bring Oracle in another $100 to $200 million a year. And you know what that means? That means $100 to $200 million a year out of your pocket and into Oracle's. Well, there's no reason to do that. Please visit our website. We've got the link right here, palisadecompliance.com, Oracle Cost Reduction. You can find our free webinar on how to reduce Oracle support. We've got a class on Paliversity, on all the different ways to reduce Oracle support. And obviously, if you want help actually getting that done, we've got some great experience here, some great case studies in how we've helped customers reduce their support costs with Oracle. So good luck dealing with Oracle. Try not to pay those crazy prices that Oracle is charging. Stay safe, everyone, and we'll talk to you soon.